But yes, this is to feel alright, to be alright. I don't remember what it's called. Because we haven't done it in all year live, so we thought we would do it for you guys. I know I belong here on earth, but I long to be lifted up. My heart does not rhyme the rhythm of my mind. What is life worth living if you don't dance to anything? Night after night, oh, I long to feel alright. I want to feel it, what the people talk about. How do you find it so easy? And all I can is ask, whatever you say is never right. So I want to you cannot make me feel it. And wherever I go, I'm always blind, so I lose my track. Cannot make me feel alright. How I hunger for touch. How could you say that I love too much? I don't want to fight, I just want to feel alright. What is life worth living if you don't bleed for anything? Night after night, oh, I long to feel alright. I want to feel it, what the people talk about. How do you find it so easy? And all I can is ask, but whatever you say, I'm always fine. So you cannot make me feel it. Wherever I go, I'm always blind, so I lose my track. Make me feel da 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 just want to feel alright. I don't want to fight, I just want to feel alright.